Hello everyone, how are you all? So today is the second lecture of the commerce into first year. So let's go into the chapter. So yesterday I have told you the introduction to business, and then introduction, like definition, and then we have learned about the history of commerce. Okay, we have learnt of the history of commerce. That is not the human activity, it is a commerce. I forgot to change it. So there are 6 types of history in the commerce in India. So first we'll revise the introduction, definition, and then history of the commerce. So first one is, I have told you yesterday, is business is a human activity. Okay, and the second one is activity. Humans are always engaged in some activity to earn the money, okay, and to satisfy their wants. And the third one is basic needs. I gave you the example of the shopkeeper, wholesaler, and the manufacturer. Okay, the shopkeeper buy from the wholesaler and wholesaler will buy from the manufacturer. So that is called the business. Not only that, anything, see, around the world there are many business you can see. Okay, the ultimate purpose of doing the business is to earn the money and to satisfy their unlimited wants or desires. Okay, and then so to satisfy the unlimited wants and desires, so I gave you the example. This is the one. See, this is the one. Okay, and then these activities are called business. Okay, so you can write this all in the introduction part. And the definition is, the word business comes from the word busy. Okay, and means doing things. The main motive of business is to earn money. So in the that we'll learn deeply about the business and definition. And then I gave you the definition. What is the definition? The word business comes from the word busy and means doing things. The main motive of the business is to earn profits. Okay, so the history of the, this is commerce. The history of commerce in India is, first one is how household economy. What is household economy? Within the families they divide the work, is nothing but the household economy. Okay, within the families they divide, like for example, husband and wife, they divide the work. Okay, so the wife will go, sorry, cultivation of land, and husband will go to the hunting, fishing, etc. Okay, and the barter system is exchange of fruits and vegetables, exchange of goods within the goods only, sorry, with the goods only. Okay, goods will exchange with the goods only, not with any like currency and all. There were no currency in that time. And the rise of trade, I have told you that in this stage of commerce, what happened is money came into existence. Okay, so the goods are exchanged with the currency. And the town economy is retail and wholesaler. The markets were divided into local market and a large market. So the retailer and the wholesaler is divided, and they were doing the businesses. And the international trade, international, this one is the international trade. International trade, you all know, exports and imports. Okay, what is export, what is import? Import is, from our country we are sending goods to the another countries. Okay, the export is, we are purchasing from the another country, is called export. And the e-commerce, what is e-commerce? E-commerce is electronic commerce. Okay, what is e-commerce? Electronic commerce. Electronic commerce means online shopping, and nowadays it is a very popular mode of trade. Okay, so e-commerce is electronic commerce, that is online shopping, online trading, whatever it may be. And the next one is human activity. The next one is classification of human activity. So there are two types of human activity. But generally, what is human activity now? Whichever activities done by the humans are called human activities. Okay. So whichever activities are done by humans, okay, done by humans are called human activities. So human activities are divided into two types. One is economic activity and the other one is activity. Okay. The first economic activity and the second one is non-economic activity. Now what is economic activity? This activity undertake with the main aim of to earn profits. These activities related to production, distribution and consumption of goods and services. So this activity undertake with the main aim of earn the profits. So this activity is undertaken by earn the profits. So what is this activity? The activities which are under the main aim to earn the profits. If for example I am teaching, okay, I'll go to school or any college, then I'll teach. So ultimate purpose is to earn money. So those are called economic activity. Not only the teacher and teacher, who is it, Sai, oh, okay, and not only the teacher, everybody, whoever will earn the money with that activity is called economic activity. Policeman, teacher, doctor and professionals, a lawyer, okay, and CA, CS, everybody who will earn the money, okay, with that activity is called economic activity. It may be business also, okay. And the second one is non-economic activity. What is non-economic activity? Non-economic activity is nothing but the activities out of love and affection, charity, sympathy, blood relation are called non-economic activity. So are called hey, what happened to this pen? Non-economic activity. So what are these activities? Non-economic activity. Okay. The activity performed voluntarily by the human beings out of love, affection, charity, sympathy, blood relation are called non-economic activity. For example, our mother cooks for us, okay, that is out of love and affection. There will not give salary to our mother, okay. So it is out of love and affection. Charity, it may be charity, okay, okay. Charity also, some people voluntarily come and help the poor people. Like in the COVID time, there were many people who don't have the food also. So voluntarily people came up and they went and they helped the people by providing food, okay, and etc. Without any they did not expect any profit from or money. They did not expect anything, but voluntarily they came up and helped the poor people. That is called charity, okay. Sympathy, it is comes under sympathy also. Blood relation, or if for example me and my sister are in the help, so I'll go and help, sorry, 1 minute. For example, my sister is in the need of help, okay, then I will go and help her without expecting anything, okay. That is also a blood relation. You know about the blood relation, okay. So the activity which is performed voluntarily without expecting anything is called non-economic activity. For example, if your boyfriend or girlfriend want a gift, without expecting anything, you will go and give her the gift, Okay, that is called out of love and affection. So it is non-economic activity, is also, it is also a non-economic activity. So I hope you understood better with the example. And then so what we have revised is classification of human activity are two types: economic activity and non-economic activity. Economic activities are undertake with the aim of to earn the profit, okay, earn the money. And the non-economic activity is out of love and affection. And type of how many types of economic activity we have? Okay, first one is first one is profession, and the second one is employment, and the third one is business. So these are the types of economic activity. What are they? They are the types of economic activity. So three types of economic activity. First one is profession. Profession also ultimate purpose is to earn the money or to profit only. The employment. Employment also we go and do the employment under some company or some other man. So we will earn the money. Ultimate purpose is to earn the profit or to earn the money or to earn the salary, whatever it may be. Okay. And the third one is business. Now what is business? Every in the world there are many business. The ultimate purpose is to earn the money. Now for example, tailor stitches her clothes to earn the money, okay, not for the love and affection, not the charity. Okay, so this is all our economic activity. The ultimate purpose of this three is to or earn the money only. So what we have revised is uh, so what is first business? Business is an human activity. It is always engaged with some activity to earn the profit and to satisfy their wants. And the third one is to meet the basic requirements. For example, I give the shopkeeper, wholesaler, manufacturer example also. I think you remember that. And these activity are called business and they are called businessmen. What is definition of the business? Business comes from the word business, busy, and means doing things, doing some things. To ultimate purpose is to earn the money. Simply not doing things. It is ultimate purpose is to earn the money. Okay. And the history of the commerce in India. This is commerce. This is commerce in India. So there are six types of commerce in India: household economy, butter economy, rise of trade, town economy, international trade, e-commerce. This may not come in the like in your exam, but still you have to know from where commerce originated. So I am explaining you this. Okay. And the third one is classification of human activity. Human activity are two types: economic activity and non-economic activity. Okay. And the third one is types of business activities. Business activities are three types. Okay. Profession, employment, and business. So in the next class we'll learn about the types of the economic activity. That is, first one is business. We'll learn about the business. See, I am not telling you in this lecture is there is no proper clarity. When I uploaded in the YouTube, so it was, the video was unclear and it is the my audio is stucking. Okay, it is lagging. So give me some time, like 2 or 3 days. Till then we'll continue with the like 15 minutes or 20 minutes lecture only. After that, when I get a like network and I have to arrange my mic also, so after that I'll continue with the 40 minutes lecture or 45 minutes lecture. Okay, so that's why I'm not taking you the lengthy lecture in this. I cannot able to post also, so it is being very difficult for me, and there is no clarity. So if there is no clarity, there is no use also. So you cannot able to understand, and no one will see my lecture. Okay. We are also conducting the lectures because there are many people. Okay, colleges are started, and this is the time where we go college. Okay, go to college and we learn something, but there are many people who cannot pay classes. So we are trying to uh, give them a free lectures, so that the half of, at least half of the portion they can listen. And then when this all COVID-19 like after the September or in the October, the colleges will start, so that you can continue with your college lectures. So we are trying to give the free lectures those who cannot afford for the colleges, and the rest of the people can also see. So we will start the inter second year lectures also, those who are like inter second year also. Please share them the link, so that they will also get to know. Many people don't know about our channel, so they will also get in lecture very, so only few people know about us. So please share the link, so that everybody will get to know about our channel, and it will be very helpful for them. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this lecture. If any changes you want, like if you I want to explain in the, if you want to make me explain in the Hindi, it is also okay. In the Telugu, in the English, three languages, whichever you are comfortable, please comment on the below section, so that I'll get to know, and then we'll post the lecture according to that. Okay, thank you. I hope you enjoyed this lecture. Thank you, and please share, subscribe our channel, and share the link as our channel, and they'll also be benefited with this. Okay, thank you. So tomorrow we will post the lecture about the business. Okay, business types of the economy, business, and the next lectures are employment and profession. Okay, thank you.